How to create a new profile on your Amazon Prime Video account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a new profile on your Amazon Prime Video account. So, first of all, let's open our Prime Video app. And now, you must make sure that you are logged into your Prime Video account. And now, once you're logged in, simply tap on My Stuff on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then it'll take you to this page where on the top side of the screen you can see your name, so simply tap on it. There it'll provide you a list of all of the different profiles available on your account. So if you want to add a new one, simply tap on the option New, which is right over here. And now, first of all, enter the name of the new profile you want to set up. Now once you've done that, you can choose whether you only show kid-friendly videos on this profile or not. And once you've done that, you can change the profile picture. So tap on change, which is right over here. And now you can choose any one of these profile pictures provided to you by Amazon Prime Video. And now, once you've selected that, simply tap on save. And there you have it. You have successfully created a new profile on your Amazon Prime Video account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.